Although Chamisa yet insisted that no one else should know, Chimono felt someone within the opposition needed to be aware of what was going on for advice, transparency, and accountability purposes. Zarapinda mashoko buda panguva inochonekwa kunzi there is no one to trust. Nelson Chamisa has been exposed. Do subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Timina the news section lonyera chiti. They however both agreed to keep it confidential and proceed as if Magaisa was not in the loop. A second meeting then took place in February 2022 at the State House. At the meeting, Chimono presented a formal proposal written by Magaisa. The Magaisa document directly contradicted what Chamisa wanted to become Prime Minister, like Shangirai was under Mugabe during the GNU. Magaisa's proposal stated there was no basis for a GNU before the 2023 elections. Instead, it proposed a pre- and post-election pact between the ruling party and the opposition to guarantee non-violence and free and fair elections, with any GNU only to be considered after the election results, which would have defined the balance of forces on the ground between the main parties, their parliamentary representation, and new political dynamics. Realizing Magaisa and Chimono wanted a holistic political solution to tackle the protracted national crisis through the talks against his ambition to immediately become Prime Minister. Chamisa changed tack. He adopted a new strategy and a tactical maneuver for direct engagement with Mnangagwa. This is confirmed by the audio where he says Moneri should tell Auxilia that when one is courting a woman for a love relationship, there is no need for an intermediary. An emissary comes in only when marriage is at stake, Chamisa said, pushing for direct talks. Even how Chamisa tells Moneri to convey the message to Auxilia reveals friendship between him and the First Lady. This is consistent with what his allies have always said. He is close to the Mnangagwas. Chamisa regards Mnangagwa as a brother even when he is 36 years old than him, and Auxilia is my guru, elder brother's wife. As proved by the audio, Chamisa removed Chimono as emissary for direct talks with Mnangagwa. A meeting was then arranged. It is not known what Mnangagwa and Chamisa later agreed on during talks, but what is clear is that they have an arrangement. Chamisa never informed his party and its leaders about the talks. After the 2023 elections, which were stolen in broad daylight through voter suppression, Chamisa did not challenge Mnangagwa in court, even when the Southern African Development Community SADC rejected the election result. Zambian President Hakainde Hichilema took a major risk for Chamisa as chair of the SADC organ on politics defense and security cooperation to reject the results through the SADC Electoral Observer Mission led by former Zambian Vice President Nevers Mumba. The report was only killed when Mnangagwa took over as SADC chairperson in August 2024, while Hichilema and Mumba fought hard for him. Chamisa did nothing about the situation. Instead, he did not only lose the elections, but also the CCC, which was captured by Zambia before going into hibernation. Doma developments are pombe Zimbabwe panawe advocate nelsonchamisa nenawe CCC ne their relationship awa ne the first family. Pana comment section medu zafungura email to pamusoro these arrangements. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.